Hi, I'm Gilly Thomas. I think I've always been an artist. As for how long I've been making paintings, I've just been making them forever. So I've been a teacher for a long time, and it's just what I do. I do it to stay sane. Well, mostly I use acrylic. I suppose 1 in 10 might be oils. It seems to me a really, really different technique.
How many paintings have you got here at Oriel Môn?
I think it's 96-ish.
96 paintings?
Yes. Well, I'm sitting here in this little room which is called the Ridiculum, where everything is ridiculous, and it's full of pretty bad advice, which is a nice thing after being given so much other bad advice in the last couple of years. So mostly it's meant to be funny. It certainly makes me laugh. A bit of a reaction to getting more and more cross about what I'm not allowed to do. Thank you. And then we have the famous therapy dog, faux-friendly dog, that I would advise you not to let him in. I did meet a real therapy dog in a nursing care home. The human hand is a bit of a worry, isn't it? He looks like he's saying hello, but I don't like his eyes. So in a way, he makes me laugh, but I know that there's something quite serious about a therapy dog. Well, I'm working towards an exhibition that's going to be at the Royal Cambrian in Conway. It's called The Art of Perseverance. Anybody who looks at a painting, or what is called the beholder's share to it. So you have a sort of job to do when you look at a painting, is try to kind of read it, the symbolism or the message or whatever, and you've got to bring that. You've got to bring that with you, the willingness to sort of engage with it, don't you? And also, for me, the titles are a bit vital because they either help you into it or they rather mischievously point you in the wrong direction. I've had a huge amount of help, actually, putting this on the wall, definitely with building the Ridiculum room, which was an afterthought of mine in the last couple of weeks before it was all due to go up. So they've helped enormously, and they're friendly and smiley, which is nice.